Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited to show you all of the things that I got for Christmas and winter. Got a lot of decor for the house, a lot of Christmas tree related items and things like that. And this is going to be my first Christmas in the United States. So you can imagine how happy I am to see all of the cool stuff at the stores. So if you want to see what kind of items I got from Walmart, Target, BigLots, and so on, then let's get started. So I guess I will divide this haul into parts depending on which store I got stuff from. So first I will show you the items that I got from Walmart. So in no particular order, I'll just start taking the items that are around me. But first I want to show you a few lights. So the first thing that I got is this set of 6 blue twinkling snowflake icicle lights, and this was $9.98, which is a great find. So this is how they look like, and I'm planning on putting these on the balcony because we do live in an apartment, not in a house yet. So this would be great to put on the balcony so that all of the neighbors can see that and that it looks really pretty. And this has white wire, and the lights are like bluish white, which I think would just look so cool. And I think Walmart is a great place to look for items like this just because they're very affordable. Next up, from the same collection, I got this, and this is the holiday time 100 clear mini lights. They had such a big variety of different kinds of lights, different kinds of colors, all things you can imagine. And I got this one. I'm thinking of putting this in the bedroom, so I think this would look really cute just around the walls and stuff. And this also has the white wire. Lights are just the best way to decorate because it's really easy. These are really cheap. I believe these were like $5 or something like that. So yeah, if you need some kind of good decoration for your house, definitely consider the lights. Another set of lights that I got is this one, and this is 50 LED cool white mini lights. And the reason why I got these, first of all, they were $3.98, which is such a steal. But also I'm thinking of putting these around the fireplace, which as you can see is right here behind me. We just got this recently at Lowe's, and it's just a really great, really cute fireplace that I love sitting next to. So I'm thinking of putting these lights around the fireplace. So that's what these are like. Next thing is this, and I was super excited to get this. They have a lot of different kinds of these shadow lights for only $12.98, and my husband and I thought about which kind to get. They had like Minnie Mouse and Grinch, but we decided to go for these ones. So you can actually press and you can see what this would look like. I hope you guys can see that it has these snowflakes and it changes colors from blue to white. You plug it in and then you can have the snowflakes or whatever design you pick on the walls and on the ceiling. So I'm also thinking of putting this on our balcony because I feel like at nighttime this would just look super cool. So again, I really highly recommend this. This is what it looks like. You can actually see the snowflakes on the ball. So yeah, definitely consider this if you go to Walmart. So I think these are all of the light related items that I got. Now let's just go through the rest of the things. So first off, I got this, and this is this giant, not giant, but quite big shimmer snowman, and this is a sticker for the window, and it actually has 10 mini light bulbs on it as well. And this was only $5, and they did have a bunch of other designs as well, but I think the snowman was definitely the cutest. Definitely also take a look at these when you go to Walmart. Next item we picked up is this, and this is the tree skirt, and it's 48-inch tree skirt with Mickey and Minnie. I just had to get this. My husband actually got it for me because we were debating whether to get this or not. This was a little pricey. It was around $25 and there weren't that many left, and I just really like Mickey and Minnie. I think it's so cute. And this, you can see here, this is how it would look like. So it just has them on one side and the rest is red. And we don't have a tree skirt, and all tree skirts are around the same price, so they're actually quite pricey. I'm not sure why. It was really hard to just pick one, but I'm happy we got this one, and maybe next year we'll get a different one. But yeah, this is what it looks like again. So if you like Disney, if you like Mickey and Minnie, I highly suggest this item. Next up, also I got this large Santa hat for $2.98, and they have these in 3 sizes. They have small, medium, and large. So for adults, I think large would be the best. So is just a regular, wow, this is too big, but yeah, this is just a regular Santa hat. I did not have one because again, we moved here recently, so we have absolutely nothing. So everything we buy is from scratch. So I had to get a Santa hat because you have to wear a Santa hat when you give out presents. Step, I picked up two stockings. So this one is for my husband, and this was $6.98. And I really like the design because it has these beautiful snowflakes, and yeah, it just looks like this. Really, really pretty. And this is for me, kind of in the same idea of like snowflakes, but I really like this white one because it has these rhinestones in the middle of the snowflake, which is just so pretty. I think this is a really beautiful stocking, and this was $7.98, so a little bit more expensive than this one, just $1 more expensive because I guess of these rhinestones, but I'm super excited to be putting these on the fireplace as well, like this, so that we can put some little trinkets in here for Christmas. Next item I picked up is this set of 100 peel and stick gift tags for 98 cents, which is such a steal. And they also had a bunch of different other designs if you don't like this one. I think they had 4 or 5 other types, and this is just great to put on the present, and there's 100 of them, so this will probably last for a long time. So for 98 cents, I think this is a really good deal. So now let me show you some ornaments that I got. So this is also from Walmart, and this is this 26 shatterproof ornaments for $4.98. This is amazing price for 26 ornaments, and I absolutely love the design of them. I like how they're gold and white, and they have this like snowflakey crystal-y looking ones as well. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kinds of different ornaments, which is great. And for $5, this just cannot get any better. So definitely take a look at the ornament section in Walmart, and they did have a bunch of other colors and styles as well if you don't like this one. But for this Christmas, I'm thinking of having white and gold base and then adding a bunch of very unique ornaments is what we're gonna do. In fact, I will show you some that I already bought right now. So these are not necessarily from Walmart. Some of them are, some of them are not. So I will try to remember where I got each of them. But first of all, this is definitely from Walmart. This is $1.98, and this is a super cute ornament that has like this clear snow looking like ball, and then the red bird. I think this is very cute. This one is also from Walmart, and this was also $1.98, and of course I picked this one up because this is a pink unicorn with wings and fluffy stuff, and it's all sparkly, and this is just the cutest thing ever. This ornament is also from Walmart, and this was also $1.98, and this is just this really cute pink kind of van that has a cupcake on top, and this is so cute as well, really sparkly, and it will match the unicorn really well, I think. So this next ornament is actually one from Ghirardelli store. I got this in Las Vegas when we went there for our trip, and this is just a really cute little train that says San Francisco Ghirardelli on it, and when you open this up, it has a chocolate inside, which I'm definitely gonna eat. I just noticed that it has a chocolate in here. I really like collecting these more unique kind of ornaments and matching them with the simple ones. The next ornament is, I think, from Hobby Lobby, and this was $3.99, and this is what it looks like. This is just a train covered in glitter. It's really, really pretty, and it will match the Ghirardelli train as well, so that's super cute. And then I have 2 more ornaments that I got at a local Christmas shop. So this is the first one. This is a fox that has a scarf, and this was more on the pricey side. This was $11.95, but because this is from a local store, they are more expensive than the ones you would usually get at a regular mall. But yeah, I still really like this. And finally, this is the last ornament that I got. This was $9.95, also from a local Christmas store, and it's just the cutest white cat, and you can actually write something on this balloon, but I didn't yet. But this is just the cutest ornament as well. These are all of the ornaments that I got and all of the stuff from Walmart. So now let's move on to Target, and I believe there's only one thing that I got at Target, and I had to get this because this is literally the cutest thing I have ever seen in my life. And at first when I saw it at the store, I didn't get it, and then I just couldn't stop thinking about it, so I had to go back like 5 minutes before the Target closed just to get it. Got this giant snowman, and this is the cutest snowman I have ever seen in my life. Normally snowmen like this have kind of a very weird face, and sometimes they look just like crooked or weird, but this snowman is the cutest, most adorable snowman you will ever find in your life. This was $25, which is honestly not that much for this kind of a big snowman. He is quite large, and I think he would just look super cute sitting here on the floor next to the fireplace, so I cannot wait to put him up. If you like him, please go to Target and get him as soon as possible. I can imagine that this would be a very popular item and it will be sold out quickly. So get your hands on him while you can, but he is just so cute. He has his little hat, and then he has a little scarf, and he's wearing mittens and sweaters and stuff, and he has this wreath, and is just the most cutest, softest little snowman ever. So I'm really happy that I got this one. So next up, let me show you 2 items from Lowe's. This is similar to the lights that we got at Walmart. I just got these 200 lights, clear mini lights, and these are specifically for the Christmas tree. We are going to be buying the real Christmas tree, so hopefully this will be enough. I'm not sure how big the Christmas tree will be, but hopefully these 200 lights will be enough, and I believe this was $5 each, so not bad price at all. All right, next up, let's move to Big Lots. So I haven't been to Big Lots in so long, but surprisingly they had an amazing selection of Christmas items. So the first thing that I got is this reindeer. He is super cute. This was $16, and this is how it looks like. They had another one which was a little smaller, and it was just covered with like silver studs or silver rhinestones, but I thought that this one was a little bit cuter. So he has a furry neck, and he is completely glittery all over the place, and there are these sequins on top, which is just so cute. I cannot wait to also put this on our table or somewhere. If you like this kind of stuff, definitely go ahead and check out Big Lots, because they did have a lot of similar looking items, not just reindeers, but in this like white glittery sequency kind of thing. Next up at Big Lots, I found these 2 placemats for $2.50 each, so I got 2 of them. They look exactly the same, and this is also amazing quality, and this snowman is so cute. I cannot wait to also put this on our table, and this is a very large placemat, I think. So for the size, it's just 13 inches by 19 inches. So yeah, this is bigger than normal like circular looking placemats. It did have a lot of other kinds of placemats as well, so I totally recommend this. And the last item from Big Lots is this wax warmer, electric wax warmer, also in the shape of a snowman. How cute is he? I have no words. This was only $8. They also had, I think, either a bigger one or a smaller one, I'm not sure, but they definitely had 2 sizes. So this is what he looks like, and wax warmers I think are a must for the winter season or anytime really. I always have a wax warmer burning in the house. Definitely take a look at this, and I already want to put this up right now because he's just so cute, but I'm gonna wait until the time comes. But yeah, definitely take a look at this if you go to Big Lots as well. All right, so these are all of the decor items, and now I have just a tiny little bit of beauty items to show you, and then we will be done. So first of all, I would like to show you guys this, which is the item that everybody's talking about. These are the foaming body scrubs from the Onyx Bath House, and I got 2, but the Christmas related one is this one that I got, and it's called I Slay All Day, and it's in the scent of Winter Blossom. And look at the packaging. This is super cute, and it has these 2 like lavender purplish colors. This was $5.99 at TJ Maxx. This smells really clean and fresh. It does have a little bit of a sweet scent to it, but it's not like sugary sweet. It's just very clean, more like berry-like smell, and I just absolutely love this. If you go to TJ Maxx or maybe Marshalls or places like that, I think they will have that. They have so many of these in all kinds of flavors and smells. I have another one in the Best Friend Bridesmaid, which I'm currently using, but that one is not Christmas related. I really wanted to get other kinds because they have gingerbread and all other kind of sugary sweet scents, but I had to stop myself from buying too much. I might go back and get more at some point. They are actually really good quality, so I totally recommend. The next item that I got is this is a hand cream from the Love Beauty and Planet, and this is the Beloved series, and this is the hand cream in the roasted chestnut and ginger. You can find this at Target, maybe somewhere else, but I got this at Target for $5, which is a little expensive for this tiny little hand thing, but that's okay. So I was walking around and I saw a candle in the smell first, and I smelled it, and it was the most amazing smell ever. So I was wondering if they had any other items in the same scent, and they did have body cream, body scrub, shower gel, or hand soap or something like that. So I decided to go with the hand cream just because I do not have a hand cream to carry in my purse, and I am so in love with the smell. But it's just such a nice subtle scent that is not overpowering, but it does smell like strong enough for you to smell it if you put it on yourself. It smells so good. I have no idea how to describe the scent, but it's just really, really nice, and it does smell like chestnut and ginger, but in a really nice wintry cozy way. Please guys, go ahead to Target and smell this if you can, because this smell is just everything. I definitely want to get more items, or maybe all of the items from this collection, because they just smell so freaking good. And last but not least, I got this, which is the Burt's Bees lip balm in the shortbread cookie scent. I was totally suckered into this by the packaging, because this is just the cutest packaging ever. So this is what the lip balm looks like. Unfortunately, the lip balm itself doesn't have any Christmassy packaging on it. It just looks like regular lip balm. And as for the smell, it does have a very, very subtle shortbread cookie scent. It is definitely very pleasant, but I was expecting it to be maybe a little bit more strong, just so that I can actually smell it when I put it on my lips. But unfortunately, I don't. So this was about $4, which is a little expensive. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend this, because again, the scent is not the strongest. If you don't mind that, and the lip balm itself is good quality. So if you want to have this cute box, then definitely check this out. They had also other scents like caramel or something like that. So definitely take a look, but I would not tell you to just immediately run and get this. So yeah, these are basically all of the items that I got. I am so excited, and I'm definitely going to continue shopping for Christmas and wintry items for sure. So probably another haul like this will be coming up in the next month or so. So keep an eye on that, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. And let me know in the comment section below if you liked any of the items that I got, and if you have started Christmas shopping or not. I know it's really early, but it's just hard to stay away from buying stuff when everywhere you go there are Christmas items. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope that it inspired you to go ahead and buy some of the items that I showed you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.